Are you running Amazon PPC product targeting ads but not getting proper results? Today I'm going to share you one agency secrets that no one wants you to know. Hey everyone, I'm Nivetha Muralidharan, founder of Newgen Max and Nivetha Academy. I have trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce journey and help several D2C brands to skyrocket their sales. Now, there are n number of secrets available on Amazon PPC ads. Here is one hack I want to share with you about product targeting ads. How can you figure out ASINs for product targeting? Many just go to Amazon, figure out the competitors, or sort using price range and target it, try all type of ads. But here is one secret hack that I want to share you today. I'll show my seller central. So whenever you're running an automatic campaign, there are 4 types of targeting groups: close match, loose match, substitutes, complements. I always pull ideas from these automatic ads. What do I actually do? Now everything has a logic. Close match means it is closer to your product. Loose match means loosely related to your product. Complements or complementary items for your product. Substitutes will be the substitutes for it. Very simple. It will be the equivalent substitutes for you. Now, always I analyze the automatic ads to understand which is giving me more sales. For most of the accounts, close match will give us more sales, but sometimes when substitutes and complements are giving you more sales, then it's time for us to deep dig into the logics and work on your manual product targeting ads. Let us consider an example. Now, consider that complements are giving more sales. What are complements? Consider that I'm going to buy a mobile phone. There are good amount of chances that I will buy a back case cover. This is complements. Complementary products work really well for some of the accounts that we handle. In case I found the secret that complements are working really good in the automatic ads, then here's the step I follow it. I simply go to the search term here, figure out what ASINs gave me sales and understand what are the complementary products. Understand their price range also. Then I come to Amazon and pull out those types of ASIN and start running product targeting ads on them. Let me show you an example. So here I have searched DSLR camera. My idea here is to buy a DSLR camera. So as soon as I search, you can figure out n number of results. So people will obviously come to it and click on a particular product. In the next step, I will show you what product I clicked. Now, as soon as I came to the landing page of DSLR camera, after I clicked on a particular product, I can see the first ad here, tripods for professionals. So whomsoever is going to buy a camera, there are a high number of chances that they will buy a tripod along with it. They will buy a mic along with it. So in case you are selling a tripod, then your target audience are something related to cameras. So you can go ahead and target all the cameras and give out a try. Instead of directly trying it, what I actually do is I study the automatic campaigns, and in case if it has given us more results, then I proceed and optimize it further. I consider automatic ads as a research hub where we get lots and lots of ideas. So do analyze your automatic ads and start your product targeting ads accordingly. In case you have any questions related to Amazon PPC ads, feel free to mention below and I would be really happy to take it forward. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you are liking it, subscribing to the channel and hit on the bell icon. Also share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.